how to write a review on Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write a review. First of all, open the application. Now here you can browse and select the product that you want to write a review for. So here I'm selecting a product. So again, tap on the product. So it will pop up. Now slowly scroll down. Here scroll down until you find the option called review. So here it will be in the bottom. So it is right here. So as you can see here, there are different reviews of different people. Now here, simply select on write a review. So you'll be able to write a review about the product and the quality of the product. So it is a kind of feedback that you can give to other buyers and even the seller itself. So it's a way of reference and letting other know what the product is and how the product is. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.